Section 1, the hook. Think this looks too easy? Think again. Over 90% of people completely mess this up on the first try. Let's see if you can solve it. Section 2, the common mistake. If you just rush through it from left to right, you'll subtract 2 from 2 to get 0. 0 times 2 is still 0, and adding 2 gives you an answer of 2. But that is completely incorrect. Section 3, applying BODMAS. To unlock the right answer, you have to follow the order of operations, BODMAS. We don't have brackets, exponents, or division, so our top priority here is multiplication. Section 4, the final calculation. 2 times 2 is 4, which changes the problem to 2 minus 4 plus 2. Since addition and subtraction have the same priority, we just work left to right. 2 minus 4 gives us negative 2, and negative 2 plus 2 brings us right back to 0. Did you get it right?